He's got a split personality. I think he's got this like a schizophrenic kind of a thing. Not exactly, but kind of.
That's a medical condition.
No, in the sense it's like.
Are you saying it's a medical condition?
I'm not saying it's a medical condition, but I'm saying it's a advanced schizophrenia type of thing, wherein he's got this intensely intelligent, highly sharp, razor sharp kind of mind, where analytical and a lot of reading and a lot of stuff like that. On the other side, he can be such a buffoon. He plays such. It annoys me when I'm trying to have a serious conversation. I keep telling, at least listen, this is serious. Listen, this is serious. And he just keeps on being frivolous. That gets on my nerves.
आप इतनी सीरियस कर रही हैं, उनमें आपके ज़्यादा कहीं ना कहीं बॉयफ्रेंड्स हैं, पति हैं, उनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा कौन आता है क्लोजेस्ट टू योर रियल पति?
No one. Not even within 10 miles. No one at all.
Okay.
Not at all.
And just maybe characteristic wise or
Nothing wise.
nothing wise.
Nothing wise. Nothing wise at all, because television does not. You mean like the person or the character of the actor?
Character of the actor.
No,
Nothing.
not really. I mean, there's Rituraj who's in Kahani. There's Ronit who's in the new serial, and there's Harsh. No, none of the characters are like Sanju.
किसी भी सीरियल में आपने ऐसा कुछ पोर्ट्रे किया हो which comes very close to your married life?
No, I wouldn't say that. Except that perhaps in Astitva, my character, the lawyer Riya Sen, she's very close to the kind of person I am. She's like, by and large, a person who looks at life happily, optimistic, and she's, tries to be good at her work, and she's spunky. She's got lots of guts and lots of stuff like that. So I think that if I'm not actually like that, then I'd like to be like that. But I like that woman's character a lot.
The most romantic moment you've spent with him?
Same. Rome. It was amazing. Really unbelievable. I can still sort of smell the smell and feel the light and remember that moment in an instant. I just need to shut my eyes and I can think of that November in Rome. It was amazing. Such a beautiful place, such a beautiful time. And we'd been married for I think about 2 years then, so there was a nice level of understanding, and everything was kind of.
You probably had one of the more stable marriages in the television industry. क्या लगता है, क्या है ऐसा आप दोनों की तरफ से कोऑपरेशन, compatibility जो इस शादी को जकड़ के रखा है?
I don't know. I can't say मैंने किसी और की marriage तो देखी नहीं, but I suppose the fact that we're both rested. We're both very dear friends. I don't try and be perfect to him. Don't try and be something that I'm not. If I'm feeling horrible, then he knows it. He knows that she's going through a horrible thing, and he stays pretty clear of me at that point. And likewise, I like him a lot. He's a good guy. He's basically a very good guy.